For this tutorial, I'm going to talk to you about expanding and simplifying paths. So to turn a path into a shape, you will need to expand its appearance. However, depending on the complexity of the path, this often produces a large number of points, making it difficult to edit the shape. However, Illustrator has a function which allows you to reduce the number of points a shape has while still keeping its original shape. So you can see here, after simplifying, I have gone from 21 points to 6 points. So you can see the original path. This is one that you can still edit. This has been expanded into a shape, and this has been simplified to reduce the number of points. So let's have a play with how that works. So for this example, I'm just going to create a spiral. So I have my spiral, and I'm going to set the colour as black, and I'm going to really thicken up the stroke width and changing the profile to the width profile 1. So now I want to turn it into a shape so that I can cut it up or edit it. I go Object, Expand Appearance. And there you have it expanded, but you can see that there is a huge amount of points, and this makes it very hard for me to then edit this shape further. If I wanted to change it, you can see it becomes difficult. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simplify this path. So I select it, I go to Object, Path, Simplify. It's important when this pop-up window opens up that you have Preview turned on, because that allows you to see the changes as they are created. You also want to make sure that Show Original is ticked, because this shows what the original shape looked like in the red line. So you can see here what's happening is when I drag the slider, it's saying it went from 192 points down to 11, but you can see that the shape has changed quite a lot. So the idea is to try and create the best balance between the curve and how many points you've used. So if I drag it up to 92, you can see that the path is pretty much exactly the same as the original, but I have gone from 192 points to only 19. So I think that's quite good, so I can say OK. So now when I edit this, I can do it a lot more easily because we just have less points to play with.